Go across to Mr. Mishra. Mr. Mishra, I want to understand your opinion on how Congress is right now, from the early trends that we have right now, the Congress's performance. It's very dwindly. We are seeing less number of seats. Do you think that now Congress needs to also rethink its state strategies, because nationally we are seeing it going down, but even in the BMC over there it's losing its charm?
Ma'am, see, actually for military, please mark my words, one quotation I am putting here. For military, boots on ground, it is required for final victory. And for any political party, not boots, foots. Foots are very much necessary part for victory, means foots of their foot workers. Okay. What is happening with the Congress? Somehow Congress is working likewise, you can say the monopoly type of the corporate type of the culture, that people, they are sitting in the corporate office in air conditions, and on air they are just giving a speech or just making certain kind of the noise on YouTube or social media. Politics, it is very much emotional type of the profession, ma'am, where you have to get connected with the emotions of your voters, no matter they are rich or poor, different class of the society. You have to connect with them on emotional level, on financial level, on social level, each and everything. All these ground level activity, it is missing from the Congress. It may be possible they are not having the resources, or it also may be possible they are not having the foot soldiers on the grounds. Party workers, they are not available. Only making a noise that we are winning, we will make the government, it is not sufficient, because of, I already stated that politics is very much emotional type of the profession, where you have to get connect with the society, with emotions, with heart, mind, soul and body of the each and every voter. Then and then the miraculous type of the result comes. Congress leaders, see, no leader is available in Maharashtra for Congress, any known face. Whatever it was, either they have shifted to BJP or any other party, or they are almost nullified. So no leader, no face is there. Only one face. It may be helpful, but it is not required. It is not sufficient to win some such kind of the micro level management of micro level of the politics, micro management of the politics. BMC elections, elections of head of the villages, Gram Pradhan elections, these I consider as a micro politics. So micro and macro. Macro, they may be going, they may be doing very good, that on TV debate they are claiming that we are going to win, we are going to make the clean sweep. But until and unless there is no sync between macro as well as the micro, on ground level as well as on top level, there is no flow, there is no political funnel, you cannot ensure the victory in elections. Right now, the political dynamics has been shifted, where we have to manage micro as well as the micro dynamics, starting from roads to Sansad Bhavan to Parliament. You have to be active, you have to be get connected, and you have to show your performance excellence on each and every level. That's why, say Bengal election is coming. What happened with Congress in Bihar? One of the oldest party, having more than 100 years of political experience, and they are feeling some such kind of the situation they are facing. It is really, I can't explain that why Congress is not going to revolve or to bring out the necessary change. They are one of the oldest party of in Indian political environment. So situation is very much tense, as well as you can very much critical for Congress, as well as the Uddhav Thackeray, all opposition leaders. Even if you see that in Bihar, what happened? If BJP plus can make a clean sweep, the opposition must have to rethink that what mistake they are coming. Maybe whatever their ideology and strategy, past ideology, it is not applicable, because of entire generation of voters has been changed. This is a different era where information is, everybody, even 18 years plus above that, everybody is having the information, who is doing what and what is beneficial, what is not beneficial. If any party is not syncing with all these micro dynamics of the politics, they can't survive.
Absolutely. In fact, let's look at the live numbers. They're flashing on your screens. BJP has 95 seats. We are looking at the Shiv Sena Shinde faction with 28, NCP at 0. Then we have the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray or the UBT faction at 60, and we have the NCP Sharad Pawar faction also at 0. We have the Congress at 12. So, like Mr. Mishra pointed out, grassroots workers or the karyakartas are very important, and Advocate Shah, we saw that split in the NCP, we saw it in the Shiv Sena as well. Shiv Sena is okay, but now we are seeing NCP 0 for both of them right now as per the early trends that are coming in. How are you looking at those karyakartas? What are they thinking? What's going on in their mind? How has the dynamic shifted over there?
See, it is more of the ideology that works in Maharashtra. Mr. Mishra said that it is an emotional thing. Voting is an emotional thing. Elections is an emotional thing. Especially in Maharashtra, it is very much emotional over there. So if you are not in sync with the ideology of the people, they are not going to vote for you. Whether it is NCP, whether it is the Thackeray brothers. For example, you said that the Thackeray brothers made an emotional appeal, but it did not work. Why? Because their words did not meet their actions. The staunch Shiv Sena supporters, the staunch NCP supporters, they have a certain kind of ideology. The Shiv Sena supporters, their ideology is carved by Balasaheb Thackeray. Now, both the brothers, they failed miserably in carrying forward the Thackeray legacy. They got too much involved in appeasement. The RA Metro was made into a big drama back then, and all the activists who joined hands with the UBT government then are today themselves praising the metro today. And nothing worked, so they resorted to divisive politics, which resulted into deaths. Now, who would want such a governance? So, with these tactics, the UBT, MNS, they dug their own grave. The NCP, both the factions, they dug their own grave. So, the way Congress has become irrelevant today